So I just completed a flight in the Super Petrel XP with the 915 engine. Absolutely exhilarating experience.
I found the plane to just be very stable and reactive. It was easy to land on water. I'm an experienced commercial seaplane pilot, so handles with no problem at all. And I was really pleased with the performance of the airplane. It was outstanding.
So I just got out of the Super Petrel XP. It's my first ride. Very impressive with the amount of power. It has 141 horsepower. On the water, it's easy to land and it's very quick off the water. To fly around on the step, it's very comfortable.
So this is the first time I've flown in a Super Petrel, and it's just a wonderful aircraft.
So I wanted to come here, learn about the maintenance aspect of it, learn about the flying aspect of it. I've been overwhelmed between the owner of the company being a superstar and making a good product and really having a lot of enthusiasm for what he does. All the trainers, the instructors, Roger, everybody is top-notch, really sharp, very, very good guys. Exceeded my expectations on every aspect, from the quality of the machine to the quality of the experience.